Knock knock.
Who's there?
Water.
Water who?
What are you doing here? Can I tell you a joke?
Okay.
Who carries out operations in water?
Navy?
A sturgeon.
Very funny.
Ha ha ha. Can I tell you a joke?
Okay.
Where can you find an ocean with no water? On a map. Ha ha ha. Can I tell you a joke?
If you have to.
What kind of rocks are never underwater? Dry one. Ha ha ha.
Okay. Enough.
Knock knock.
Oh my god.
Water.
Here, Mr. Ficus has enough water, so he is happy. Now, I am going to remove the moisture sensor from Mr. Ficus, and he is going to think that he is not having any water. And he is going to get upset, and he is going to let me know that by sending a text message. Now that the sensor is out, it's detecting that there is no water, and you can see the RGB LED go on. And this means that there is no moisture. Now I got a text message from Mr. Ficus, and he is saying his moisture content is 2.5%. And he will keep sending text messages until he gets enough water. And this way, he will make sure he gets water. The second text message is in, so he will send a text message for every 30 seconds. Now I have a glass of water right below off the screen, and I'm going to put it there, and you will see the RGB LED turn off, and that means that it has detected water. I also have an air quality sensor down there, and I'm going to lightly use the duster to blow some air, and Mr. Ficus is going to think there is some bad, unhealthy air quality, and he's going to let me know that using his text message. Yeah, right. And I'm going to directly blow some more air onto the sensor, and he is going to go bonkers now. Thanks for watching. Hey all, this is the Arduino build for Lady Anthurium. So there is an Arduino at the bottom, and this is something called a grow shield. The grow shield has the moisture sensor that I'm using. It sits nicely on top of the Arduino and provides a lot of output, and it also has a lot of sensors actually. And then on top of it, this is called a proto shield. It's from Spark Fun. I have all these lying around. It helps you to kind of keep the circuit compact and stack the shields. And this one is an SD card shield. This is where all the jokes are stored. And this is a PIR sensor, and this detects movement. And from the Arduino pin, you have the wire that is going to the speaker. This is the jack. And what happens is that this keeps sensing, and if it has enough moisture content, it will just keep quiet. But when the moisture content is very low, the motion sensor gets activated, and when it sees motion, it plays a joke from the SD card using an SD card library, and the output comes out of this pin and goes to the audio jack and then goes to the speaker. This is for the Ficus. Ficus also has the moisture sensor, detects the moisture, and it detects it using the resistance change. and it goes into this comparator which decides whether to send the trigger or not. And this is called a photon. It's from this company called Spark, and it's a wireless Wi-Fi enabled Arduino, and it also has APIs from their cloud. So what happens is that usually when the moisture content is enough, it just goes to sleep in terms of it doesn't really send anything. But when the moisture is very low, this triggers a API call to the particle cloud, that is the company, their cloud. From there is an account that I created in Twilio with my phone number, and it goes to particles cloud, and then from there to Twilio's cloud, and from there it sends a message to my phone. And this LED also turns on when the moisture is low. And that's how it comes to my phone. And this one is a grow air quality sensor. It senses the air quality. So when it needs water, the air quality sensor is off because it doesn't care about air, it needs water. And when it goes below a value, it sends the text message. And when you pour water, now it's happy with respect to the water. And then it starts looking at other things to complain. So it checks the air quality, and if it is low or it's unhealthy, it complains. And that's basically this circuit.